Good morning dear students. So this is your English grammar class and today we will do chapter 21 and on. Children, and we have done in last class and today we will learn about on. Okay. So children, and is a joining words. Okay. And it joins two words and group of words. Okay. And children, and is also used to join two sentences. For example, Priya and Neeta are best friends. Okay. So, and means children in Hindi, you say और. Okay. और. Means Priya और Neeta क्या है? Best friends है. We go to the park and play. Okay. So, children, now or is another joining word, children, and we use it to choose between two people, animal, places, thing or action. Okay. For example, children, if you want to choose between two things, okay, so you will use or. In Hindi we say ya. Like we said, children, day or night, apple or banana. It means, children, in Hindi we will say din ya raat, kela ya seb. Okay. For example, do you like, here we will write do you like car or bike? In Hindi we will say तुम्हें कार पसंद है कि बाइक? कार पसंद है या बाइक? ओके. Do you have a pen or a pencil? Okay. So children, now we will do the exercise of this chapter. So open page 72 of your English grammar book. Okay. Okay, so now we will do or. Or is another joining word. We use it to choose between two people, animals, places, things or actions. For example, do you like Suresh or Sachin? Question mark. We can go to the hills or the beach. Full stop. So children, here we will add or to choose two people, animals, places, things or actions. Okay. Now come to the next page. Exercise B. Join each pair of sentences using or. So children, number 1 and number 2. These for your practice. So let's read. Will you have milk? Will you have juice? So it will be will you have milk or juice? So here we will add or in place of will you have. Okay, question mark. Number 2, do you want to play basketball? Do you want to play badminton? So it will be do you want to play basketball or badminton? Question mark. Number 3, we can play inside. We can play outside. So here we will write WEVCAN can, PLAY play, INSIDE inside, OR OUTSIDE outside. Full stop. Then number 4, is that Ribu? Question mark. Is that Riju? So here we will write I as is THAT dat, RIBHU ribu. Here we will join or, okay, or ribu or riju, RIJU riju. The next number 5, I can buy a bag, I can buy a pencil box. So here we will write I, can, BUY buy, a bag, BAG bag, or a PENCIL pencil box. Then next, let us write. Complete the sentences using and or. Number 1 is Meera dash Sheila are sisters. So children, here we will write and. Meera and Sheila are sisters. And. They have milk dash fruits in the morning. So here we will write and. They have milk and fruits in the morning. Meera is in class 1 and here we will write and. Sheila is in class 2. Number 2, the dog and the cat are friends. FRIENDS friends. THAY they, EAT eat, and PLAY play together. TOGETHER together. Do you like a dog or a cat? So here we will write or. Number 3, do you read books or watch TV? Question mark. I like to read books. And PAINT paint. You and I like different things. Okay, so this we have done, children. You also do this exercises in your textbook and practice it. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless you.